What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today we're talking about how to get verified on Spotify
For real.
in 2 minutes. And this is super easy. People probably think it's really difficult to do. Getting verified on Spotify was the easiest thing I ever did. Facebook took a little bit of work to get verified. Instagram takes a little bit of work to get verified. Twitter takes a little bit of work, but Spotify is super stupid easy. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. But first off, this is what it does for you when you get verified. You get the little blue check mark, which makes you look super official because you know when somebody has it on Instagram, you look official. So when they see it on Spotify, it feels like it's on Instagram, or you know what I'm saying? And that's a really good feeling to have. And because it's so easy, you know, you want to take the time to do this. It's so fast. I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. But also, as soon as you actually get it verified, then you can actually edit your profile, change your profile picture, you know, change the description and what you want it to say about you. Yeah, you can do all that. And it's super easy. All you need to do is have Spotify for Artists set up. I'm gonna show you that right after the intro, but also just so you know, I'm also gonna make another video and I'm gonna release it tomorrow on how to actually edit, how to go in and edit your profile, change the picture and all that, because I do it sometimes. So you're gonna learn how to get verified and all that super quick and super easy. I'm Rob Level, this is smartrapper.com. I release a video a day. We're growing crazy fast and you're gonna get smarter right after the intro. I'm gonna jump into a screencast real quick and show you guys how easy it is to do this. And I'm gonna put the link for this, what we're gonna go to. I'm gonna put that below. You can click to it and you can, what you're doing is you're claiming your Spotify profile. Super quick, super easy. And additionally, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Rob_Level, because I do a word a day and almost at 300,000 followers on there. And I want to help you guys learn and keep you updated because I give tons of value on there as well. Just sneaking that in. Let's go to the screencast.
Check this out, it's super stupid easy. You see this right here, this page? When you click the link below inside of the description, it's gonna bring you right here. All you have to do is type your name in here and it's gonna say, would you like to claim this profile? Because it's obviously not gonna be claimed yet because you haven't got verified yet, right? And it's gonna say, okay, provide proof that it's you. What is your social media, stuff like that, super easy. Or for instance, if you already have your stuff uploaded on on CD Baby, you can go to CD Baby and prove it's you. And I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing using DistroKid because they also have that feature. It is really that easy. Once you submit, you're gonna have a login and everything else like that. And again, I'm gonna show you in the other video, which I'm gonna release tomorrow, how you can go in and edit all this stuff and change all your stuff. That's it.
All right, hope you learned from that, but you know what time it is.
I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before.
This is so stupid.
What's up, y'all? Time for another word of the day. Today's word of the day is whiffler. It is a person who often shifts their opinions and their attitude towards things. You could she may be one, but most presidents are also whifflers. Since this is something about how to get verified on Spotify, I figured you guys may additionally want and need help with actually marketing your music and driving people to Spotify, because obviously an artist who is ready for Spotify is also ready for some marketing. Well, I have this really cool marketing course that's rated 4.5 out of 5 stars everywhere that I have it up, as well as on my site, but it's called 136 Genius Music Marketing Strategies. And these are everything from low-cost strategies that cost you no money, that are really smart, that you probably didn't think of before, how to get new fans to your music. And then there's paid ones that you can set up, like ways to automate and get your music heard on a regular basis across all social media platforms. And I have that. You can just check it out. You can get it in the link below, or you can go to smartrapper.com/136 because there's 136 of those marketing ideas, right? I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. Go ahead, hit me with a like, hit me with a subscribe, and hit that little bell when you do, because I release a video every single day so that you can become smarter in the music industry. I want to help everybody avoid all the mistakes that I made on my come up, and I'm still coming up. I'm still growing like crazy. Way up at 1 million views already, 220,000 streams on Spotify, and that's thanks to you guys helping for that initial push in the beginning. I'll put links to all that stuff below. Thank you so much for being part of Smart Rapper Gang, Smart Rapper community, everything else like that. Tons of stuff is coming. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also hit me with a comment with your 4 bars of the day, okay? And yeah, go ahead and check out these videos. I always forget, I'm like, am I gonna have an outro stream? Yeah, go ahead and check out these videos, okay? And go get yourself verified on Spotify. It's super stupid easy, okay? I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna release a video on how to edit your bio and everything. So check that out too, okay? See you guys tomorrow. Keep hustling.